Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn very older concepts from C language, which is also implemented in Kotlin. Is called enumeration, enum. So in Kotlin we have a enum class. For creating a enum, just see the example. Enumeration is a concept to create some constant, and those constant we use in a program, and that having some hidden or background values which is replaced by this, and it is very easy to use enumeration, and by the use of enumeration we can hide the hidden value which is behind the enumeration. We can see the example, because for understanding all these things we have to see example, then we can understand. So first of all, we are creating a package, my Kotlin. In this package I am creating a class enum class, name is days. So here I am creating the number of days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you see this is an enum class days, and this class having these 7 constants. By default the value of Sunday constant is 0, Monday value is 1, Tuesday value is 2, Wednesday is 3, and Thursday is 4, Friday is 5, and Saturday is 6. So it start from 0 to 6. Okay, but we use Sunday, it will replace by 0. So see the example. We are creating a main method. In main method we are printing the value of this println days dot Sunday. For that I have to use this days dot Sunday is again days dot Sunday dot ordinal. Ordinal means the position, day of week. Okay, so if I run this program, you see the output. Sunday is 0 day of week. That means this value means the constant Sunday, and days dot Sunday dot ordinal. Ordinal is the position of the Sunday. Sunday position is 0. If I replace the Sunday with Saturday, and I replace here also Saturday, and I run again, so you will see the different output now. The Saturday is the 6th day of the week. So like this it work. We can take one more example of enumeration to creating a type also. Enum class is called calculation operation, or here we are creating a type, where type, and type of string. Okay, then we are using here, what we are using, if we say sum, that means string plus. Okay, so this type is called plus, and this is the constant sum. Similarly we can create division. Okay, then in division we may have a divide. Okay, then we have subtraction. In subtraction we have minus symbol, and multiplication. Then we have the multiply symbol here is also. So this is also an enumeration class operation which having a type string, means whenever we put a sum it will replace by plus, because the value of this sum is plus. So we can also use this here. If we use this class, so first of all we have to implement the enumeration also. First of all we implement, then we will use. So class calculation. Okay, in this class we are creating a function operation. In operation we are passing a num1 int, num2 int, and what we say, type is operation. Okay, okay, this is operation of this type operation. Then here we say when close, we are using a when close. In when close we use here operation, and if the operation is what, operation dot division, so what we have to do, we have to divide num1 divide by num2, but in a result equal to num1 divide by num2. Okay, this result we have to declare here. Okay, so then if operation is multiplication, then result equal to multiply by num2. If operation is subtraction, then result equal to num1 minus num2. If operation is sum, then result equal to num1 minus num2. Okay, if these all solve, then we can print the result. Result equal to result. Okay, now we call this class calculation, where c equal to calculation, then c dot operation, we are passing a value here, and operation is operation sum. If there is a sum, we run this and you see the output. Automatically sum means not multiplication. No, we are doing minus, sum is plus. So if you run again, then sum means plus, not minus. Okay, 90. Now again, if you want to run more, c dot operation, again any value you can put here, and operation dot division, if I put, again you run the program. You see, on the basis of these constant value, automatically operator change, because we have mentioned in Enum class that the sum equal to plus and division equal to divide symbol, subtraction equal to minus, and multiplication equal to multiplication star symbol. So like this, we are changing the value of operators also in an operation function like this here. Automatically, on the basis of the value which we are passing, the operation perform and we are getting a result. So this is the way to use enumeration or enum concept in Kotlin. These type of similar concept we use in C language also. So till then, for next lecture, bye. See you again.